You know, the 2025 hybrid SUV market is absolutely exploding. And well, it's both exciting and, let's be honest, a little overwhelming. You've got all these amazing options promising that perfect mix of fuel efficiency and practicality. But how do you even begin to find the one that's actually right for you? It's a great problem to have, for sure, but it's a challenge we're going to solve together today.
So yeah, that is the big question, isn't it? Which one of these SUVs is going to be the perfect co-pilot for your life? That's exactly what we're going to figure out. We're going to break down the key players, the pros, the cons, the whole deal. All right, let's dive in and find your perfect match.
Okay, so in the ring today, we've got four really interesting contenders. First up, you have the legendary Toyota Corolla Cross. We're calling it the reliable veteran. Then there's the super sleek and sophisticated Honda HRV. That's the refined professional. Making a huge splash is the BYD Sealion, our tech-savvy newcomer. And finally, you've got the rugged and daring Jaecoo J7, the bold challenger. So yeah, four totally unique personalities and four very different ideas of what makes the perfect hybrid SUV. Let's kick things off with that all-important first impression. We're diving straight into build quality and design. I mean, the way a car looks and feels the moment you get in, that tells you so much about its personality, right? And when you get up close with these four, the differences are, well, they're immediate. The Jaecoo J7, man, it feels like it's been carved from a single block of steel, just incredibly solid. The Toyota Corolla Cross has that reassuring, almost bank vault quality you expect from a Toyota. You just know it's built to last. The Honda HRV is all about precision. Every panel lines up perfectly. And then there's the BYD Sealion, which has this very cool modern vibe, though you can kind of tell they're still fine-tuning some of the smaller details.
Now, when it comes to styling, these two couldn't be more different. The BYD Sealion is going for that futuristic, streamlined look. It's got this cool floating roof effect that really stands out, especially with those slick 18-inch wheels. But then you have the Jaecoo J7, which is just pure confidence. I mean, look at those huge 19-inch blade design wheels and the retractable door handles. It has this seriously premium, almost concept car presence on the road. Okay, let's step inside, because this is where the Japanese veterans really flex their muscles. The Toyota Corolla Cross gives you the super spacious, super practical cabin with a nice little touch of luxury from the ambient lighting. But the Honda HR-V, wow, it's just in another league when it comes to smart design. It's all about comfort, and the star of the show is, of course, the famous Magic Seats. They fold, they flip, you can create a shocking amount of cargo space for a vehicle this size. It's genius.
So we've covered the looks. Now let's get under the hood and talk about what really makes these SUVs go, the performance and the powertrain. What kind of power are we talking about here? And more importantly, how does it actually feel when you put your foot down? Because come on, let's be real. Even when we're talking about practical, efficient SUVs, there's a little part of all of us that just wants to know which one's the fastest. And right away, you see this really interesting split. On one side, you've got the BYD Sealion, which is the undisputed champ of acceleration here, with the Jaecoo J7 right behind it. These two are all about delivering that instant, thrilling power. But on the other side, the Honda and Toyota are absolute masters of efficiency and smoothness. So this really comes down to what you want. Do you crave that rush of speed, or are you trying to squeeze every single last mile out of your tank? And this number right here perfectly sums up BYD's tech advantage. The Selion offers a combined range of up to 631 miles. Let that sink in for a second. That is a massive number. It's all thanks to their super hybrid system, which really gives you the best of both worlds. A long, clean electric range for your daily commute, and then the gas engine for those epic road trips. So how do they all do it so differently? Well, it's all about their core technology. Think of the Honda and Toyota systems like a perfectly choreographed ballet between the engine and the electric motor, all designed for the smoothest, most efficient drive possible. BYD's DMI system, on the other hand, is more like an electric car that has its own backup plan. It wants to run on silent electric power as much as it possibly can, and it only uses the gas engine when it absolutely has to. All right, specs and numbers are great, but the real test, the thing that really matters, is how these SUVs feel when you're actually out there driving them. So let's hit the road and talk about that driving experience. Driving the Honda HR-V is like being in your own little sanctuary on wheels. It is so unbelievably smooth and quiet, it feels like you're just gliding through the city. It has this incredible ability to just erase the stress of traffic, making it the perfect urban escape pod. The BYD Sealion has very modern, very connected feel to it. The handling is sharp, it's responsive, it just gives you a great sense of control without ever feeling uncomfortable.
It's the kind of car that feels just as good navigating tight city streets as it does cruising down a winding country road. But if you're looking for a car that feels absolutely rock solid at high speeds, the Jaecoo J7 is in a class all its own. It feels so planted, so secure on the highway, almost like it's glued to the road. It just inspires a massive amount of confidence, especially on those long trips.
And a huge reason for that confidence is Jaecoo's incredible all-road system. This is not your average all-wheel drive. It can react to changing road conditions in a tenth of a second. I mean, that's insane. Blink and you'll miss it. And get this, it offers up to 7 different driving modes, with settings for sand, mud, snow, and even a serious off-road mode. This thing is ready for pretty much any adventure you can think of.
All right, let's shift gears and talk about two of the most critical factors for any car buyer: reliability and safety. Because at the end of the day, you need a car you can count on, one that's going to keep you and your family safe. So how do our contenders stack up here?
Well, this is where decades of experience really make a difference. Toyota's hybrid system is absolutely legendary for its durability. It's been proven over millions and millions of miles. And Honda has an equally well-deserved, stellar reputation for just building cars that last forever. BYD and Jaecoo are packed with amazing tech, but as the newer players on the block, they're still in the process of building that long-term track record. Now, on the safety front, it's great news. All 4 of these SUVs are loaded with the latest technology. You've got the tried-and-true systems from Toyota and Honda, packed with features like automatic braking and lane keeping assist. But it's also important to know that BYD and Jaecoo come equipped with a full suite of advanced safety tech too. So really, the difference here isn't about having the features, it's about the peace of mind that comes from the decades of proven real-world performance from those established brands.
Okay, so after breaking it all down, the design, the performance, the reliability, it's finally time to answer that big question we started with. Let's get to the final verdict and figure out which one of these amazing SUVs is the right fit for you. So here's how it all shakes out. If you want a car that you know without a single doubt is going to be incredibly reliable for years and years, the Toyota Corolla Cross is your champion. Just know that it's a more traditional driving experience. If your life is all about refined comfort and you need something super clever for city living, the Honda HRV is an amazing choice. Now, if you're a tech lover who wants the absolute latest in performance and you're excited to be an early adopter, the BYD Sealion is definitely the one for you. And finally, if you want a bold, premium SUV that can handle anything, and you're not afraid to take a chance on a new and exciting brand, the Jaecoo J7 is a fantastic option.
Because at the end of the day, the best SUV isn't a title that we can just hand out. It's a decision that only you can make. It's all about finding the one vehicle that perfectly fits your life, your needs, and yeah, your personality. So take everything you've learned today, and most importantly, get out there and test drive these machines for yourself. That's the only way you'll really know. Thanks so much for joining us.